we are going to perform the second set. Set first one already done by us. Now in the second stage, I have taken 25 ml of 0.05 normal potassium persulfate solution and 25 ml of distilled water in one bottle. And in the second bottle, I have taken 25 ml of 0.05 normal potassium iodide and 25 ml of the distilled water. So the concentration of the two reactants will be half here. In the set first, the concentration of the reactant it is 0.05 normal. Now in the second set, the concentration of the reactant it is 0.025 normal. So now I would like to mix these two solutions. So the Ki solution should be added in the potassium persulfate. Now I would like to note the mixing time here. I would like to note the mixing time here. So I have noted the mixing time, and after 5 minutes I would like to take the readings. So in the meantime, in the burette solution, the 0.002 normal sodium thiosulfate solution is filled. Now for this second set, I require starch indicator, then conical flask. In the conical flask, I would like to take the ice here for the reading. The function of the ice is to maintain the temperature as well as to slow down the reaction between potassium persulfate and Ki. This is the reaction picture where now the reaction is going on within the interval of the times. So you can see here the change in color is there. Now this color it is a slightly yellow color. After some time it will become faint yellow color, then dark yellow color. So the reaction is going on between the potassium persulfate and Ki. And in this conical flask I have taken the ice. Now I have to add 2 or 3 drops of the starch indicator. Now when the 5 minutes are completed, I would like to take the 10 ml of the reaction mixture. The procedure is same for the set 1. Only the difference is that between the set 1 and set 2, in the set 1 the concentration of the reactant it is 0.05 normal, and in the set second the concentration of the reactant it is 0.025 normal. So the concentration of the reactant is reduces here. So as the concentration of the reactant is reduces, the rate of the reaction is also reduces. Actually we have taken here the equal concentration of the both reactants. Suppose if A is the concentration of the reactant A, that is potassium persulfate, and B is the concentration of the reactant Ki. So in this case A is equal to B. So for the set 1, the concentration of the reactant A it is equal to B, it is equal to 125 ml. And for the set 2, the concentration of the reactant it is A it is equal to B, it is equal to 62.5 ml. That is the calculation part, that concentration can be determined. So let us see how much time is left remaining here to take the readings after the 5 minutes. Now I would like to take the reaction mixture 10 ml. 5 minutes has been completed. So this is our first reading after the 5 minutes. In chemical kinetic, time factor is very important. After 5 minutes we have to take the 10 ml of the reaction mixture. So you can see here the color is changes. Blue color is there. So the color change will be blue to colorless. So I am going to titrate this with sodium thiosulfate solution from the burette. So let us see what is the first reading after 5 minutes. Color change is blue to colorless. So I think it is colorless. So let us see what is the reading here. It is around 2 ml, 2.0 ml. So in this way, for the second set, the burette readings are comparatively less as compared to the set first, because concentration of the reactant is nearly half as compared to the set first. Let's perform the second reading now after 10 minutes. So I would like to take the first ice in the conical flask, then indicator starch, then I would like to take the reaction mixture 10 ml once again. So 10 ml of the reaction mixture is taken into the conical flask, and I would like to titrate this solution with sodium thiosulfate solution from the burette. The concentration of the sodium thiosulfate, it is 0.002 normal. So let us going to titrate this solution. So color change, it is blue to colorless. Compared to the first reading, now second reading should be higher. So you can see here the second reading, it is around 4.5 here. So in this way we perform the two readings. The first reading, it is around 2, second reading it is around 4.5. So the remaining reading in the same way we have to take after 15 minutes, after 20 minutes, 25 and 30 minutes. So we have to complete the experimental part.